So here is simple steps to follow if you are registering for your JAMB, whether you are a new user or an old user. Old users are those that already registered for JAMB earlier. Maybe you wrote JAMB earlier but you did not make it and you are writing again. New users are new ones. So let me guide you with this information from JAMB official website. I just need you to follow, okay? So if you already have an account, you already created an account, your username is your profile code. That code you received when you sent your NIN to 55019 or 66019. I've always talked about this code, right? I will also tell you how to generate it if you're a new member, if you're a new user of the Google site, right? Your password is your NIN number. But then step 3, after you have registered sent your NIN to 55019 or 66019, there will be need for you to change your password. The system will require you to set a new password. That is step 3. Once you log in for the first time, and for subsequent logins, you no longer require your NIN as password. You will use your new private password you have before that you just said. So the step is you send your NIN to 55019 or 66019 as a text message. Then it will give you your profile code. You will now reset your password. Okay. But there is a way, assuming you are an old user and you no longer remember your password, you will be required to enter your profile code and click send. That you will be required to enter your profile code and click send. Send to 55019 or 66019. Your new password will be sent to your registered phone number. Remember, your phone number has to be your own, the one you use for registering your NIN. It doesn't have to be phone number of your brother or your sister or your parent. It has to be your own. If you need to go over somewhere and get a new SIM card, you can get SIM card either free or just pay a little money. Register your own. You don't need anybody's phone number to avoid complication. Okay, the step 4 is click profile from menu and select exam profile update to complete the required form carefully. That is for old members. If you don't know the link to click, you just let me know so I can share it with you. But if you are a new person trying to register for JAMB, look at what you will do. Number 1 step, just read with me. Send the user, you leave space, then you write your NIN, you leave space, you send it to 55019 or 66019 as a text message. So you just get your phone and you type user, you give space, you type your NIN number. Those I think 11 digits number or 10 digits number. You send it to a number, a text message, 55019 or 66019. Remember, the phone number you use to send it has to be registered with your own, the one that is connected to your NIN, your own NIN. Of course, you know that NIN is compulsory if you are going to register for JAMB. Then you will receive your NIN and a profile code from 55019. Once you send it to 55019, you will receive your NIN and your profile code. To log in for the first time, follow the steps listed below. Register with, if you have not done registration for the first time, go and register your NIN with NIMC. If you don't have it, then click on sign up on this link. If you want me to send you the link, just subscribe to our YouTube channel, then come under this video and tell me you're subscribed so I can send you the link. You'll be required to enter your NIN and click create account. Upon successful account creation, click OK to take you back to the login page. Users of your profile, username is your profile code received from. Your username is that profile code you received when you clicked on 55019. Password is your NIN number. Then you are going to change the password, right? You are going to change the password. The system will prompt you to change the password. If you forgot your password, you will be required to enter your profile code and click send. Just on the site, on the JAMB registration, e-facility site of JAMB, you will just enter your profile code, send, click on send, and your new password will be sent to the phone number. The phone number you use for registering for your JAMB is very, very important. So once you receive it, click profile from menu and select exam profile update to complete the required form carefully and your user, and then you submit. This is just how to register for JAMB exam. If you have any question about your password and everything, please let me know. Now, wish you all the best in your exam.